We will guide you through how to use Miro plugins. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer before beginning the process. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account using your preferred login method. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Once the dashboard is ready, open the Miro board where you want to use a plugin. Wait for the selected board and its content to load fully before continuing. Next, locate the Tools option on the Miro toolbar. Click the Tools option to open the available integrations and plugins. Browse through the available plugins or use the search bar to find a specific one that you want to use. Take your time to review the available choices and select the plugin that best matches your needs. After selecting the plugin, review its information carefully and check what features it provides. Read the available description so you understand how the plugin can work with your Miro board. When you are ready, click Connect or the corresponding button to add the plugin to Miro. Allow Miro to process the installation and wait while the connection is completed. Avoid closing the browser or leaving the board while Miro is processing the request. Once the plugin has been connected successfully, open the installed plugin from the Apps or Toolbar menu. Look through the plugin interface and familiarize yourself with the available controls and options. Use the plugin's available tools or features to add content or functionality to your board. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to insert information, create visual elements, connect external services, or perform other supported tasks. Arrange any content added by the plugin so it fits neatly with the existing board elements. Finally, confirm that the Miro board contains the content or functionality you wanted to add.